Hello all, welcome to Plutus Education. Today I am here to share with you that how one smart decision during your graduation can completely transform your career. Let me begin with a simple story. There were two friends, Arav and Meera. Both had just completed their graduation, same age, same background and same potential. The only difference was Arav had done a normal BCom degree while Meera had done BCom along with ACCA. Now, when they both started applying for jobs, something very interesting happened. Arav's starting package was around 2 lakhs per year, while Meera's starting salary was close to 10 lakhs per year. That's a difference of 5 times, right? At the beginning of their careers, Arav would take years of hard work and promotions to reach where Meera had already started. And this is the exact difference an additional qualification like ACCA can make in your career. Now, what is ACCA? ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. You can think of it as a global version of CA. It's recognized in 180 plus countries. In fact, if a chartered accountant and an ACCA are applying for the same role in an MNC, they are considered at the same level of qualification. That's how powerful it is. Who can pursue ACCA? The beauty of ACCA lies in its flexibility. Unlike most professional courses, you can start right after your 10th standard. At Plutus, we have trained students who began in class 11th and 12th, while others started after graduation. Even MBAs and qualified CAs take it up to add a global edge. Do you know one fun fact? The youngest ACCA in the world was an Indian student who cleared all 13 papers by the age of only 18. Now, what's the exam structure? The ACCA journey is structured across 3 levels: knowledge, skill, and professional, with a total of 13 exams. The first 4 papers are flexible, on-demand papers that you can take anytime during the year. There are 2-hour MCQ-based tests with no negative marking. The remaining exams are held quarterly in March, June, September and December, and you can attempt up to 4 papers in a single sitting, depending on your pace. On average, students complete the qualification in 18 to 24 months and with a global pass rate of around 40%. It's considered more achievable than many other professional exams. Plus, if you are a graduate, MBA or CA, you may be eligible for exemptions that reduce both the number of papers you need to attempt and the time and cost involved. Beyond exams, practical experience requirement and ethics module is mandatory to become ACCA member. After clearing the exams, you become an ACCA affiliate. Once you complete your PER and ethics module, you are recognized as a full ACCA member. Now, what's the scope of ACCA? This is a question every student asks. What's the scope of ACCA? In India, the scope has grown massively over the last decade. Top firms like the Big Fours, KPMG, Deloitte, PwC and EY, as well as top MNCs hire ACCAs across multiple domains. Statutory audit, risk advisory, merger and acquisitions, forensic audit, valuations and many more. The only limitation is that ACCAs cannot practice Indian tax or law. Otherwise, salaries and designations are at par with chartered accountants. And globally, ACCA is even bigger. Countries like the UK, Canada, Australia, Singapore and Dubai have strong demand for ACCAs. Many of our students at Plutus have secured even jobs in abroad while studying ACCA in India itself. And do you know one interesting thing? That ACCA qualification is officially recognized as being equivalent to a master's degree level in the UK. Now, why ACCA with Plutus? At Plutus Education, we don't just focus on clearing exams. We prepare you for real career. We know choosing the right path can feel overwhelming. That's why we are here. Not just as teachers, but as mentor who will walk with you through the entire ACCA journey. We bring you top-class faculty, personal one-on-one guidance, and most importantly, real placement support, so that all your hard work actually turns into the career you dream of. Over the years, we have seen our students go from being unsure about their future to landing packages as high as 12 LPA. And honestly, that's what drives us every single day, helping commerce students like you achieve more than they ever thought possible. Because at Plutus, your success is our success. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, do share it with your peers and subscribe to Plutus Education for more career guidance. We are committed to supporting you throughout your ACCA journey.